get down to business. Give you one more night to get this. We've had a million nights just like this. So let's get down to business. Let's get down to business. Give you one more night to get this. We've had a million nights just like this. So let's get down to business.
On this video, I'm gonna show you how to make a button to be multi-action, so you can take them into a PDF file, so for them to be able to download it, or you can take them to an Upsell or a Bumpsell page. So basically, they will be able to go into your funnel, get to the thank you page, and then they will be able to see a button to click on it, and with a single click they will be able to download the PDF and also be taken into a Bumpsell or a downsell page. So the first thing is that we need to go into the page where we want to add the button. So I want to add it into the home page, but you can add it into the thank you page. So let's go into the editor. Once here, I have several buttons, but I'm just gonna work with just this button. So I'm just gonna go into the set link. Then the first step is that to upload the PDF file into the server of Builderall. So we need to go into the download action, and then we need to go into select file. So we need to select the file that we want to use for them to download. Okay, so if you haven't downloaded the PDF file, you can do it by clicking on select file. You can see all the extensions that you can use or upload it to the platform, and the max size that you can use. You have to make sure that 10 megs is the biggest size you can upload to the platform. If it's bigger than 10 megs, you have to go into another platform to compress the PDF file so you can upload it here. So you can click on select file, you can search the PDF file on your computer, and then it will be uploaded into the platform. So I'm just gonna use this PDF, and I'm gonna click on save, and then I'm gonna click on select, and then I'm gonna go to save. This first step is going to allow me to get the URL for the server where the file is stored on the server side. So we can go into the website, and I'm gonna click on the button. So it will basically open a new browser, a new tab. It's gonna open a new tab, and it's gonna show me the PDF file. But I want to copy the URL that is being shown up here that it says storage.builderall.com. Okay, so I'm gonna copy that one. That's the URL that I'm interested. So I'm gonna close this, and I'm gonna close this. So we're gonna go back into my button. So I'm gonna click on set link, and then I'm gonna reset the action the action right now is to download the PDF file. But I don't need that action right now. So I'm gonna reset the action and go back to my actions. So once the button is resetted, we can go into page. First thing is that you need to select the Bumpsell or the Upsell page that you want to take them after they click on the link. So I'm just gonna take them into my thank you page, and then all the way down I have to make sure that I have open a new tab selected. As a target, this option must be selected, otherwise you won't be able to see advanced options. So let's click on advanced options, and let's go to web page, and then we'll be able to paste here the URL that we got when we open the PDF, which is this one. Okay, for any case, if you want to use an external URL as a Bumpsell, you have an external page, and you want to use that external page as a Bumpsell, you have to make sure that instead of going page, you have to go to web, and you have to paste here the URL from that external platform, and you need to go to advanced options and make sure that web page and the URL for the PDF is added here, so it can work the same way. But I'm just gonna go to page, and I'm going to select my thank you page, and they're gonna go to advanced options, go to web page, make sure that this is blue, and just paste here the URL that is going to allow them to download the PDF. That is all. So we need just to click on select, save the changes, and test it out to see how it works. You can see that I only have 2 tabs open on my browser, and by clicking on this link on this button, it's gonna open a new two new tabs. So I have 3 now. So I'm gonna click on my button. I have an additional one that is my Bumpsell or my Upsell page. This is my thank you page. You can see the URL over here. And if I choose the other tab, this is the PDF that I'm providing them to be downloaded. So that's how you add two actions on a single button. I hope this video helps you, and if you need anything, just leave a comment. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video.